Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this waving surface. We can call also it's a mesh or some things. Let's start then. It will be a nice video. I really like to model it. And firstly we open a sketch and we start with a construction line as always. And then we placing two arc on our part as you see on the screen, and we will make here a tangency, and then I'm placing here two other circles. They will be equal and as the construction geometry, and they are vertical with our center, and tangency here, and other tangency will be here, same, exactly. This is what we are searching for. And the center distance will be from here to here will be 15 millimeter, and these are 7.5 millimeter. Exactly, this is what we are searching for. And then we are going to make a linear sketch pattern, 60 millimeter and 10 times. Exactly. And I'm not going to spend time for creating fully defined sketch. Reference geometry, and we are here creating a plane by just clicking a line and a point, and then we go create here a 15 millimeter circle, and we go make a sweep along this line. As you see, we get something like this. After this point we just go make a linear pattern. Will be this body 2 times 30 millimeter at the other side. We just make a copy, and then front plane we make a plane 30 millimeter plane at the other side again, and then we just show our sketch and create one new plane sketch, something like this. I'm trying to get this line, and on this line we are going to create an axis. Exactly, this was what we are searching for. Once we're done with this, I'm going to make a copy, move copy. This body going to be rotated 180 degrees. Exactly, we have it. After this operation I'm going to hide this axis, and on top plane I go create an axis again in this point, and now we make a circle pattern on this axis with 90 degree, and body will be this. Now the same thing going to be happen here again, a rotation. I'm going to create a plane on this center, which is 15 millimeter from the beginning, and I'm saying to my program front plane, and then this edge, but we don't have that edge. Let's create exactly in this point. I make a straight line which is exactly in the middle of our profile. If you wanna make simple like this, you can also do that. this was the other thing, and then we made an axis again, and I can now hide this plane and this guy also. I'm choosing this plane, and recent command should be my move, so it is there, and this body will be rotated 180 degree along this axis. We are almost done. One more step. Now we are going to make one more copy of this one, and the linear pattern, and right plane, body is this. This will be rotated. First we need their axis, and I'm going to create their plane, which is 14mm from beginning, and then I will go create here a line, after this operation I will just add an axis, too many axes, right? And the thing is that we are going to make a rotation will be on this axis, and body this, and we enter our rotation value. Yes, we have it. Now most beautiful part, putting fillet 7.5, this one, this one, and this one. In one time you are allowed to select one body. Yes, last one. And after this operation, the most beautiful operation, linear pattern, and front plane, and the bodies. Bodies here. 60 and 10. Yes, in this direction operation is done, and in this direction again linear pattern, bodies, they are separate bodies, that's why we are choosing here. Under the bodies also you can see we have 40 bodies, and then that's all. We create this nice model, and we can give a color to it and changing display states to make it a little bit more handsome. It was really nice. It is a joy. I hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to make a comment on my video, and please press like button to support my channel, and by that way I can create much more better videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.